Hey, good morning. Thanks for tuning in again. This is going to be a little quick one. I know well, you won't know this. I started some videos about replacing the rear driver's side door lock actuator. It was a couple weeks ago I started that video. And it's so hot here that I got frustrated and I couldn't find a good video on doing the rear ones. There's a couple of good videos out there doing the front, the driver's side front, but not the back, and it's, the configuration's a little different. So I am going to dig into that, and that'll maybe be helpful because I don't see a video out there about that. But anyway, this is a quick one. Headlights. Yesterday morning, driving down the road in the morning on the way to work, and headlight went out. And both of these headlights, both my headlights have some cracks in them. These are some Amazon deals, and well, it looks like my lens is dirty. Hold on. Yeah, maybe. Anyway, this is the other one. Both of these are needing to be replaced. There was Amazon guys, and God, they're like $70. These have lasted 3 years. I just ordered the same set again. I started looking at some of these with the daytime running lights, and those look really cool, but they're really expensive. And for this truck, man, if I was building, sorry to wobble you around. If I was building a show truck, maybe I could justify paying $1,200 for headlights, but that's not this truck. Man, imagine having sponsors that would send you expensive headlights. Anyway, so I just ordered the same assembly again. The black, the Harley Davidson ones that have black. And today I'm just going to use an old bulb just to not get pulled over by the police. So hopefully I got an old bulb that works. So I did buy a new set for when I get the new assemblies, but I'm hoping that one of these old ones will work for now. So it starts off with these two bolts right here to get the assembly out. I got a 7/32 on here, but I think it's really a 5.5, but this works. And then there's another one right in here. Two of them, actually. And you can't see them. Once you get those four out, this just finagles out of here. Got access down here to twist this connector off and get the bulb out. Let's see. So here's the electrical connector, and then you just twist this off to get the bulb out. The connector, there's the bulb. I'll grab one of the old bulbs and we'll see if we can get one to work. Like I said, this is temporary because I did buy the new bulbs for when just for the new assemblies, and this is just to get me by while I wait on Amazon. Alright, just going to leave it dangly there while I test it first. Alright, I'm going to go turn the headlights on and see if that works. That works. Now I'll close it up and this will be done. So installation is reverse of the removal. So finagle it back in here. There we go. Just like that. 4 screws. They're pretty easy to get to. I know other vehicles aren't. That's one thing about the 6.0. There's a lot of things that are hard to get to. But the stuff that you deal with the most is pretty easy to get to. I like that the oil filter and the fuel filter, well, one of the fuel filters is up top. So oil change makes oil change nice and easy. See if I can get these lower ones without getting too aggravated. Just getting them started is the trouble. Thankfully though, if they fall, they go right to the ground. There we go, got them started. Oh, it's so hot. Hot and muggy. I hope it's cooler wherever you guys are. Unless you're like my brother-in-law and live in Vegas. We've been keeping track of the places we've been vacationing lately, and that's pretty sad at times because North Carolina is always about 15 to 20 degrees cooler than it is here. And less humidity. I know it gets hot up there, but it doesn't last as long as it does here. All right, so we're good on this one. All right, so thanks for tuning in on this one, and let's see, next will be maybe installing the new assemblies. Yeah, like I said, I didn't go with any other ones with the daytime running light because I didn't feel like hooking them up. I know they make some cheaper versions of those, but I just didn't feel like bothering with them. So I'll get another set of these and we'll just swap these out, new bulbs. And let's see, next thing will be the door lock actuator in the driver's side, rear. I bought a blue spring kit that I need to put in, and maybe we'll do that one. That's about it. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one. Really appreciate you watching the video.